Hi guys, and welcome back. So I wanted to show you my summer wash and go routine. And I've already co-washed with Garnier's Curl Nourish conditioner. And I deep conditioned with Garnier's Damage Repair 1 Minute Mask. So I'm going to start by using the 5-in-1 spray by Garnier, and I love to use this to prep my hair for styling. Next, I'm going to take the buttercream leave-in treatment, and I've been using this buttercream for about over a year now. It is very moisturizing and it really helps keep my hair soft. Brush to ensure that the buttercream coats each section of my hair. Next, I'm going to take the Main Choice Egyptian Oil and Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie and Anti-Frizz Gel for styling. I'm using the oil to lock in moisture, and this oil works really well on my hair. It's not too heavy, it's not too light, it's just right. And I'm using a Curl Enhancing Smoothie for extra moisture and to help with curl definition. Coat my hair with the Anti-Frizz Gel to help keep the longevity of my wash and go intact. So I have a ton of moisture in my hair, and as you can see, my curls are defined.
But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.
So I'm just going to begin styling. Now this gel does make my hair just a little bit crunchy, but I really don't mind it in the summer just because it's hot and I tend to sweat, and then we also have to deal with humidity. So the cast will definitely keep my curls defined.
When you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. I prayed for you.
And I would definitely be using the restorative spray by the Main Choice this summer for additional moisture.
And now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big thing.
And that completes my summer wash and go routine. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will chat with you guys later.
I thought you were the one for me.